Pretty little black skin girl. Me want on you in a wifey. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hi guys, hello, hola, bonjour, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Curvy Miller. I feel and look a bit busted. I look like someone's boy pitney, but I need to make more videos. I can't be making excuses that I'm tired, I'm this, I'm that. So I thought, let me just try and spruce up. I did my eyebrow. Let me not even get into it. So I have eyelashes. I'm not a professional. I just do what I can to get my lashes on my eyelids because I don't even own eyelashes. Let me show you guys. Like, God didn't bless him. My nose looks sore, in case anyone's thinking, why is that nose look like that? I recently got it pierced, so it's still in the healing process. So yeah, hella shiny, shining, 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 shining. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I use to put on my eyelashes. So I use this tweezer first. I use these two. Okay, focus, man, focus. All right. I use these other tweezers to basically put on the ends. I'm gonna try and show you guys me put on my eyelashes, but we'll see. I have scissors because I always have to trim my eyelashes because they're normally too long. I have small eyes. Hair glue. Come on, focus, no man. All right. I've got a normal hair glue that I use, 30 seconds, or the one that's not 30 seconds. I don't think it matters as much. It's a bit dirty, but this is, I don't know. I actually don't know what it's called. I think it's Eyelash, or I got it online. So it basically comes out black. So I'm gonna start off with the normal common eyelash. Sometimes I basically just pop this plastic bit out, make it easier, and then I want to pick it up first and show you guys. Then I'll grab it from the end and then peel it off, and I'll kind of just put it back in there where to cut off. So if you just zoom in, my makeup is not done properly, but I don't care. You just balance it on your eye like that, or attempt to balance it on your eye. So put it from the middle. I hope you guys can see properly. I'm gonna hold the mirror up there so I can see. And you can see up in my nose wall. You gotta get the gist, right, or not? Let me do it again so you can. So because it's gonna start itching, I'll end up cutting off quite a bit. So you grab your scissors. So you always cut from the bigger side. So what I'm trying to show you guys, which is very hard to show, focus, there's a groove here in the middle, so I'm just gonna cut that bit off. You see this has got this side, it's got bits that's sticking out and it's longer, and then this bit I've trimmed it so it looks neater. I want to go for the good old hair glue. So I normally use the back of this thing, put like a little twit like that through the middle. There you go. And then I'm gonna try to do this so you can see at the same time. I basically dip the edges in there and I try and put like a tiny bit more on the. I look down into the mirror. The mirror's here. I look down, but I look up at the same time. So I make sure my eyes are down, but the mirror's positioned like under my eye. Plop it down in the middle. And then I get the other tweezer, which is extra. I don't have to do that, but then. And then I plop it down like that. Then the other side. And I basically shoving everybody into the skin. Can you see something I've done properly? Like there's this big old gap, but I'm still learning. I'm not even gonna fix it. No word of a lie. Weird. So this side is always more difficult because I'm right-handed. So if you just do the same, I don't know how I even do it, but. I'm not happy with my eyelashes, but who cares, because they're coming off and I'm going to bed. So this is the first pair of eyelashes. I'm not taking them off. That's it. I'm not taking them off. I don't care. Well, I do care, but I care that. Anyway, here you go. Right, on to my favourite lashes. Right, let me give you a little detailed, bit of details about these lashes. So these are 25 milliliter lashes. They're literally tickling my face when I do this. I'm not mad at them. They don't even look that long. Yeah guys, sadly we're at the end of this video. I am so glad that you stayed all the way to the end. Hooray! So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share this video, obviously the usual stuff. Okay, so the lashes are from a company called Viso Free. I got 21 pairs of lashes. With this company you don't have to buy that many. If I remember correctly, you can at least buy one. and they range from like let's just say the eyelashes range from like £1.80 to like £2.50 or something like that. I'll tell you guys, yeah, so delivery, they took about a week to come. They are coming from China. Right guys, because I've reached over 100 plus subscribers, I am going to be giving away 3 of my lashes. All you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, share this video, and just send me a screenshot of where you share the video, and then tell me which lash you prefer. A week after the video has gone live, I am going to choose 3 people and then message them. You have to be in the UK to enter. Good luck! What am I doing? Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure you continue to support your girl. I am trying my best to upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!